So these are Bachelor Buttons, and there's actually some Wildflower mixes in here as well that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I got these from Dollar Tree, and there's just a nice variety. These are just starting to bud out here at the 1st of April. But here's what I did. I placed the seeds directly on this bed of mulch. I had a really thick bed of mulch here. I did put some compost on top of the mulch just to give the seeds something a little bit more fine to root into. I do have Larkspur as well. You can see some Larkspur germinating here, but there's been quite a few that germinated earlier in the fall. I direct sowed these in October, and this is exactly what we're getting right now. So a lot of germination from the Bachelor Buttons. And I'm going to show you some of the California Poppies that I sowed as well back in the fall. So I sowed this back in October as well. This is California Poppy. Purchased these, just a little seed pack from Dollar Tree. You can see this one has actually opened up today. These are starting to open up. They'll probably be unfurled tomorrow. But I sowed it directly on the ground here, and I think I just sprinkled just a few seeds in this spot and had some germination. But you know, it's such an easy thing, so I definitely encourage you guys to save some of the seeds, particularly when it comes to poppies, Bachelor Button, Larkspur. Save those seeds and sow those in the fall. They will germinate in the winter and survive through the winter cold and give you a nice show in the spring. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great day.